What if the future of your morning cup of joe hung in the balance? With climate change posing a significant threat to the beloved Arabica bean, a surprising hero emerges from the shadows, the Robusta bean. Traditionally, connoisseurs and casual drinkers alike have favored the smooth, rich flavors of Arabica over its hardier cousin, Robusta. Yet the latter, often deemed inferior, is now stepping into the limelight. In the lush landscapes of Vietnam, the world's second-largest coffee producer, the reputation of the Robusta bean is undergoing a rehabilitation of sorts. At the forefront of this is Nguyen Van Hoa, a seasoned coffee expert who is championing the cause of high-quality Robusta beans. Since the 1980s, Vietnam's coffee industry, which is dominated by Robusta, has experienced significant growth. Buon Ma Thuo, a bustling hub of production, is testament to this. Here, Robusta beans are not merely grown, they are nurtured, flourishing under the careful watch of dedicated producers. One such producer, Aeroco, is making waves by cultivating fine Robusta through sustainable practices. This is not the mass-produced Robusta of old. This is a new breed, a specialty Robusta grown with care and brewed with love. The traditional method of brewing Robusta coffee, known as phin, is a popular choice in Vietnam, showcasing the robust flavors and hearty character of these beans. Yet the journey of the Robusta bean doesn't end there. Across the globe, the quality of Robusta beans is being elevated, with some countries producing specialty Robusta varieties that rival Arabica in quality. This is not a mere substitution, but a revolution, a renaissance of the Robusta bean. So, as we stand on the precipice of change, the future of coffee may very well rest on the sturdy shoulders of the Robusta bean. Not as a last resort, but as a first choice. The potential of Robusta beans in saving the coffee industry is immense. The story of Robusta is a testament to resilience, to the power of adaptation in the face of adversity. It's a story of how something once overlooked can rise, and not just meet the challenge, but exceed expectations. Here's to the future of coffee, robust, resilient, and remarkably Robusta.